A complete shock and tragedy to hear the news of the death of Steve Angell, part-time senior fireman and owner of a small garage. He serviced my various vehicles, motorbikes and cars for many, many years. But more than that, he was a great mate to chat to. I'm not alone, I'm sure, in being utterly shocked, as this guy was a real one-off. Very generous, very down to earth. Had a terrible mishap, a fluke accident whilst enjoying his weekend pastime of motocross last Saturday. I had actually visited him on the Friday on the off chance just to chat. He always had time to stop and chat, even when he was in the middle of a job. A real pillar of the community, a fantastic role model, in fact. He'll be a huge loss. This is very impromptu. It's a brief tribute in my own way. Rest in peace, Steve.